I'm no mechanic at all, but I do like to fix my own stuff on some of my vehicle because I got too many vehicles. That's it. Somebody wants an M4, it's here, you get it, whatever. I'm tired of it. But I like to do the oil change, I like to do brakes, etc. And here's a classic BMW issue. This is a 2018 BMW M4, and you can see this. Yeah, look at this. This is a classical BMW thing. So you got all these nuts in here. They just needs to go like a quarter revolution. There's 7, 8 of them or something like that. And here's the new piece. I'm gonna put that on in a second. So first, I loosed all these. As I said, it's like a quarter evolution, and it's a Allen key size 5. Yeah, you can probably see it there, but and for the wipers, I recommend taking a socket. It's a little easier, but it's a 16 millimeter. Let's see. There we go. So the one is loose too. There you go. Alright, so I have removed the bolts from the windshield wiper. I already loosened this one. This is a little tab that is plastic and it can break very easily. So go easy on that one, and then you can just rip this out. I unscrewed this one, that one, and this one. It's the same principle as the other ones. So next is to get the wipers off. So getting those wipers off was actually harder than I thought it would be. So I would highly recommend, before you get to this, put some WD-40 on them. And it took me 30 minutes to pry a little bit, keep lubricating, and then I started just wiggling them, and finally they got loose. So I just grabbed onto them. I did like this, like crazy, and then finally here we go. Whew, that was hard. I thought I wouldn't be able to get them off, but here we go. We did get them off. I am definitely gonna make sure to have some lube and grease on this knob before I put them back on. If I got this right, I think I can just pull this thing up. Plastic clip like usual for every damn BMW. So we gotta get the pry tool. We got that here. Let me see, it's probably the same on the other side. Yep, we got one more down there. I'm gonna get these off. And the same as the other side, I need to get this little cover off. You gotta loosen these. And we got one of these babies. There we go. There's supposed to be a pin in the middle of that, but yeah, that's how it goes with BMW. All right, I got it off, but as you can see, it's pretty dirty, so I don't want that, so I'm gonna clean it up. All right, I got it on here, and the last thing I have to do is to tighten up the bolts, the nuts for the windshield wiper. And already now it looks better, and I cleaned it out a little bit. All right, done deal. Now, check this out. This is the old one. Yeah, we don't want to keep this. You can have it free if you want it.